Imagine you could own the biggest companies in America, names like Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia, but instead of just waiting for their stock prices to go up, you got a significant paycheck deposited into your account every single month. This isn't a dream. It's the reality of a specialized type of investment called a high income ETF. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular heavy hitters in this space, the NEOS S&P 500 High Income ETF, better known by its ticker, SPYI. We'll explore how it works, why it might be better for your taxes than its competitors, and whether it deserves a spot in your portfolio. Before we go any further, please note that this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and this content does not constitute financial advice. Investing involves risk, and you should always do your own research or consult with a professional before making any investment decisions. If you find this deep dive helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a breakdown of the best income-generating assets on the market. Now, let's get into the mechanics of SPY. To understand SPY, you first have to understand the S&P 500. This index represents 500 of the largest, most successful companies in the US. Normally, if you buy an S&P 500 index fund like VOO, you're looking for long-term growth. But growth doesn't pay the bills today. That's where SPYI comes in. SPY actually buys the stocks in the S&P 500, so you still have skin in the game with the best companies in the world. However, the magic happens with its option strategy. SPYI uses what's called a covered call strategy, but with a sophisticated twist. The managers sell call options on the S&P 500 index. In simple terms, they are collecting rent or premiums from other investors who are betting on the market's direction. This premium is what allows SPYI to target a massive annual distribution rate, often hovering around 12%. That is significantly higher than the tiny dividend yield you'd get from a traditional index fund. But here is where SPYI separates itself from famous rivals like JEPI. First, let's talk about upside capture. Many income ETFs cap your gains. If the market skyrockets, you're left behind. SPYI is actively managed and uses a data-driven approach to buy out-of-the-money call options. This means if the S&P 500 has a massive rally, SPYI is designed to participate in more of that growth than many of its competitors. You aren't just getting the income, you're reaching for the growth, too. The second, and perhaps most important, advantage is tax efficiency. If you hold an income investment in a standard taxable brokerage account, Uncle Sam usually takes a big bite out of your dividends. But SPYI uses Section 1256 contracts. Because of a specific IRS rule, 60% of the gains from these options are taxed at the lower, long-term capital gains rate, and only 40% are taxed at the higher, short-term rate. This happens regardless of how long the fund holds the position. For high-income earners, this 60-40 rule can save thousands of dollars in taxes compared to other funds that pay out ordinary income. Furthermore, SPYI often classifies a portion of its payments as return of capital or ROC. While that sounds technical, for you, it means you might not owe taxes on that portion of the money in the current year. Instead, it lowers your cost basis, deferring the tax bill until you actually sell your shares. It's a powerful way to keep more of what you earn today. Of course, no investment is perfect. SPYI has an expense ratio of 0.68%, which is higher than a basic index fund because of the active management required to run the option strategy. Also, while it offers some protection during flat or slightly down markets, it is still an equity fund. If the S&P 500 crashes, SPYI will go down too, though the monthly income can act as a cushion to soften the blow. In summary, SPYI is a powerhouse for investors who want high monthly cash flow without completely giving up on market growth. It combines the reliability of the S&P 500 with a sophisticated, tax-efficient engine designed to put money in your pocket every 30 days. Whether you're looking to fund your lifestyle, reinvest for compound growth, or just diversify your income streams, SPYI offers a compelling, all-in-one solution. Thank you for watching this breakdown of the SPYI ETF. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a fellow investor. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into ETFs and passive income strategies. Leave a comment below. Are you a fan of SPYI or do you prefer JEPI? Let's start a conversation. Until next time, keep those dividends growing.